2017 Volkswagen Tiguan spark plug and ignition coil removals. First things first is you're going to remove the top cover, get underneath it with your fingers and pop right up. These little holes go right here on the studs on the valve cover. Put that to the side, and this is your ignition coils. There's going to be 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's going to be a connector that is pretty much the same connector for all of them that have to be removed at the same time to get them off. What I mean by that is you have to remove it one by one. So get a flathead screwdriver, get behind underneath the clip. These are already broken actually, so just be careful because you can break these. So you push down, or you can go inside the little hole here, lift up, and that will allow you to remove the clip. But again, all of these are together, so you have to do this on all of them to remove the connector. You see what I mean? It doesn't want to come off fully because the rest of them are still nice and attached. So basically you do the same thing on the other one. Again, this one's already broken, so we're going to go underneath it and then pull on it as you unclip it so it comes off just like that. Same thing over here. I'm pulling on it as I lift it. Last one, it's nice and mangled. There you go. You can see how they all came off at one time. Now these are not bolted down by anything, they're just pressed in. So all you have to do is pop them out, just like that. Now if for some reason they're really stuck and you can't get them out with your fingers, you get a flathead screwdriver, you get underneath them, just like this example, and you pop them out. But just be really gentle with that. Now that that's out of the way, we can go ahead and remove our spark plug. Oop, 1 second. We're going to be using a 16mm spark plug socket and a extension to reach the spark plug. And you pull it out. You go ahead and replace the spark plug with the brand new one. You want to run it in with your fingers first so you don't strip the threads. And once that's nice and tight, you're going to torque this down to 18 foot-pounds. Now that the spark plug's back in, you're going to go ahead and install your ignition coil back in. Again, you press it down, make sure it's all the way down, flush. And you did the rest of them as well. So now you're ready to put everything back together. And again, this whole entire connector comes off pretty much as one piece and it goes back on as one piece. You line them all up, just like that. And you bring them all in until they all click, and you hear them click, and they won't come out. And now that they're back in, you put the cover back on, and that's it.